Hello and welcome back to the channel Englishpedia by SR. I hope all of you are doing fine. I am Sangeeta, your English coach, have brought a new video today and this will be on phrasal verb. I'll discuss what is a phrasal verb and 10 phrasal verbs starting with put. These phrasal verbs are very important for day-to-day communication as well as for your competitive exams. So without much further delay, let's start the video. Let us first know what is a phrasal verb. We will discuss this definition in 3 pointers. Number 1. Phrasal verb is a group of verbs that generally consists of a verb, an adverb, or a preposition, or both. That means it's a verb plus an adverb or a verb plus a preposition or a verb plus adverb plus a preposition. It can be in 3 such combinations. Point number 2. Phrasal verbs gives us one single meaning. Number 3. The meaning of the phrasal verb is different, separate from the meaning of its component elements. So, in today's video, we will discuss 10 such phrasal verbs that start with the verb put. So, let's start with it. Number 1 is put out. Put out means stop from burning or extinguishing. For example, you must put out all the candles before going out. You must put out all the candles before going out. Number 2 is put off. Put off means to postpone or to delay something. For example, the club members have put off their general meeting due to the sudden demise of their president. The club members have put off their general meeting due to the sudden demise or death of their president. Number 3 is put up with. See, it's the combination of a verb, an adverb and a preposition. This means to endure or to tolerate. For example, the company will not put up with the whimsical behavior of the client. The company will not put up with the whimsical behavior of the client. Let's look at number 4. Phrasal verb number 4 is put across. Put across means to communicate something effectively. For example, the politician has put across the views and goals of the party in the mass gathering. The politician has put across the views and the goals of the party in the mass gathering. Number 5 is put aside. It means keeping your personal emotions and feelings aside. For example, the jury members must put aside their prejudices for a fair judgment. The jury members must put aside their prejudices for a fair judgment. Let's look at number 6. Phrasal verb number 6 is put on. Now, it is generally used in 2 cases. Number 1, it means to wear something or getting dressed. For example, he has put on his newly bought jacket. He has put on his newly bought jacket. Case number 2, it is used to indicate a weight gaining scenario. For example, Ria has put on a lot of weight recently. Ria has put on a lot of weight recently. Verb number 7 is put into. It means to invest your money or time. For example, Raj has put his whole savings into the share market. Raj has put his whole savings into the share market. Let's look at number 8. Verb number 8 is put up. Now, it has again 2 meanings. It is used in 2 cases. Number 1, It indicates to display a sign, poster or a notice. For example, the headmaster has put up a notice for the remedial classes. The headmaster has put up a notice for the remedial classes. Case number 2, it means to build or construct something. For example, the tourists have put up their camp in the middle of the valley. The tourists have put up their camp in the middle of the valley. Let us look at number 9. Number 9 is put in. It means to include something. For example, if you put in a lot of efforts before exam, you will pass with flying colors. If you put in a lot of efforts before exam, you will pass with flying colors. Now let us look at the last one of today's video, number 10. The last phrasal verb of today's video is put down. It is used in various occasions. Now in today's video we will discuss the mostly used cases. Case number 1. It means to record something in written format. For example, John is putting down all his thoughts in his diary. John is putting down all his thoughts in his diary. Case number 2. It means to put something or somebody on the surface. For example, Rani puts down her bag on the floor with a noise. Rani puts down her bag on the floor with a noise. This is it for today's video. I hope you will like it and you will be greatly benefited from it also. If you like it, then like the video and share it also. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified each time I upload a new video. Till then, take care and happy learning.